Aloha. So, Uncle Sam is sending you to Hawaii. First off, you're welcome. You won the duty station lottery, but now the panic sets in. Where are you gonna live? How much is it gonna cost? And how far can you actually stretch that basic allowance for housing, BH, without living in a cardboard box on the beach? Which, by the way, is illegal, so don't get any ideas. I'm Jason Wong, principal broker at Island Dragonfly. I've been navigating residential and commercial real estate for over 22 years. Today, we are looking into military housing in Hawaii, the 2026 BAH rates, the best bases, and my favorite part, where you should buy so you can leave this island with a tan and a fat check from your equity. Let's talk numbers, because I know you like to know exactly how much the government is paying you to live in paradise. Good news, for 2026, BAH rates on Oahu went up by about 4.4%. Here's the breakdown for Honolulu County. If you're an E5 with dependents, you're looking at about $3,663 a month. E6, you get a bump to $3,112. E7, you've cracked the $4,000 mark at $4,098. And for my O3s, you're sitting pretty at roughly $4,128 a month. Here is the truth. That is tax-free money. You can hand that cash to a landlord to pay their mortgage, or you can use it to pay your mortgage. I don't know about you, but I prefer building my own net worth, not someone else's retirement fund. Now, where should you park your boots? Let's start with the big one, Joint Base Pearl Harbor-Hickam. If you're stationed here, you have two main vibes. Option A, Ava Beach and Kapolei. This is where you get the newer homes, the central AC, and the suburban feel. The trade-off? The traffic? It is spirited. You will get to know your podcasts very well, but you get a lot of house for your money. Option B, Pearl City and Aiea. You are super close to base, like sleeping in an extra 20 minutes close. The homes are older, think vintage charm or needs a little love, but the location is unbeatable for commute. Moving on to the Marines at MCBH Kaneohe Bay. Listen, this base is arguably the most beautiful duty station on the planet. If you're here, you want to look at Kaneohe or Kailua. Kailua is the dream. It's beach town vibes, Whole Foods, and staggeringly high prices. If your BAH can stretch or your dual income, do it. Kaneohe is lush, green, and gorgeous. Just buy a good umbrella, because lush is code for it rains here. But the commute, a breeze. And for my army folks at Schofield Barracks or Wheeler, you are in the center of the island. The winner here is usually Mililani. It's a master-planned community. Sidewalks, parks, good schools. It's basically Pleasantville, but with better weather. If you want something a bit more rustic, Wahiawa is right at the gate. It's more affordable, but it's definitely local style. Here is the bottom line. For 2026, the VA loan limit for Honolulu County is $1,928,500 if you have partial entitlement. If you have full entitlement, there is no limit. You can buy a $2 million home with zero down if you qualify. Don't waste your 3-year tour renting a condo you can't paint. Use that BAH leverage. If you want the full breakdown of these neighborhoods, or if you just want to see what $4,000 a month buys you in Ava Beach versus Kailua, let's connect. I'm Jason Wong. Welcome to Hawaii. Now let's go find you a house. Aloha.